Imagine this. You're sitting on the beach. Your phone pings. You just made $1,000. Not from a job, not for trading your time, but from a system that works while you don't. Sounds unreal? Well, so did the internet once. Today, I'm breaking down how I'd build a $10,000 per month AI-powered side hustle starting with $0. Yes, zero. No expensive software. No prior skills. Just AI and hustle. And no, you won't need to sell your soul or start a sketchy dropshipping store that ships from the moon. Stick with me till the end, because the final tool I'll show you is what actually turned my effort into income. Step 1. Niche plus problem plus audience. First, you need one thing, a specific problem you can solve. That's where AI gets powerful fast. Let's say your niche is helping new content creators grow on YouTube. The problem? They don't know what to post or how to rank. That's where you plug in a solution that doesn't require you to do the work manually. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm scripts, titles, and keyword-rich ideas. Then package these into a done-for-you content kit. Think about it. People pay for speed. If you can help them skip months of trial and error, you're valuable. Use Notion AI, System.io, or Google Docs to create digital assets. Notion templates, social media planners, AI growth guides, email funnels. Build once, host on Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy, and sell forever. Pattern interrupt. While others are Netflix and chillin', you'll be Notion and billin'. Brain money bag. No audience? No problem. Use Pictory or InVideo AI to turn your script into faceless short-form videos. Use AI voices, stock video, and catchy hooks. Done. Then push that content to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest with calls to action pointing to your offer. Emotional trigger. You don't need to be famous. You just need to show up where people scroll. Now automate it with Zapier. New lead via Typeform Auto. Add to email. New sale instant delivery plus upsell sequence. Abandoned cart, smart follow-up message. Now your system works 24/7, even while you're asleep or traveling. Most people stop when it gets hard, but the top 1%, they build systems that do the hard work for them. Here's the truth. Your income isn't capped by your time. It's capped by your strategy. The internet gave us global reach. AI gives us unlimited leverage. Don't work harder. Work smarter with systems that scale without you. So what's stopping you? Subscribe to SoftScope for weekly no-fluff breakdowns of tech tools that grow your wealth. Backend index pointing down, comment below. What AI tool are you using to build your side hustle? Rock it, and remember, you don't need more hours in a day. You just need the right system. See you in the next one.